Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if this is your first time. Today is going to be makeup related. I'm sorry, it's not about hair, but Colourpop recently came out with foundation sticks and I decided to give them a shot. This will be my first time working with foundation sticks, so I don't really have much to compare it to. I got the shades 197W and this is 197W and this is 185W. So I was going to use this one kind of as like my highlight shade, and I picked these shades because on their website they have like a shade finder kind of for you. Like they have other foundations that you may have tried and you can pick your shade in those foundations, and then it'll give you their recommendation. And that's what I use. They also have an option if you use their other foundation, you can match it to the sticks. That's what I did. I recently had a chance to try their other foundation and I got it in the shade 200. So I went with 197W because that's the shade that was recommended. And this is how much product you get. And like I said, this will be my first time using a stick foundation. So I don't know if that's a good amount or not. It looks like a decent amount to me, so I don't know what's standard with foundation sticks, but that looks like a very decent amount to me. To do my brows, I used the Colourpop brow pomade in the shade Taken for Granted, and then I cleaned up using their concealers. For the bottom, I used Deep Dark 52 to clean the bottom of my brow, and then for the top of my brow, I used Deep Dark 56 because it's more of a skin tone shade. So these are the two that I used to clean my brows with. And I also primed my face with the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. So we are just gonna get into it. And I thought that it's best to use a brush to apply sticks. And it is looking a lot like their 200 shade standard foundation. If you want, I can make a video comparing the two, but this is what this one is looking like so far. It is a little bit red. And then I'm going to go in with the 185W. I don't know, am I supposed to also use a brush for that too? Oh Lord. I don't know, am I supposed to use a brush for that? The products are really creamy and soft, which is nice because I'm so used to working with like liquid foundations and everything, but they're like really soft and creamy and easy to like blend and everything like that. I think I really like the highlight shade though, and it's not giving me a cakey look at all. Like usually after I put my concealer and everything, it kind of looks like, okay, what are you doing? You know, you get a little nervous. But with this, it's not cakey and it's very lightweight. I can't even feel it on my face. Now I'm gonna set my face. I also got their No Filter setting powder in the shade Medium Deep. Looking in the mirror is not giving off much color, so that's a good thing. So for me right now, the foundation is feeling like it's not completely drying down. Completely, like in this area. I don't know, maybe my lip is sweaty, but and it's not too dewy or anything. It's kind of still got a nice matte look to it. It has like a real like skin like finish to it. Like it's not overly matte, but it's not overly dewy either. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like after I've done, you know, light contour, some highlights, and some mascara. So now I'm just gonna do some lip gloss, and I got a Colourpop lip gloss, ultra glossy lip in the shade Atta Girl. It looks a little scary in the shade, but when I saw it swatched, it was actually really pretty. So it smells good. It smells like childhood. I don't know, it's like a smell that takes me back to when I was little. See this little person trying to brush me. Oh, I got a little crazy there, huh? Here I can already kind of see like my laugh lines peeping through, but so far it's not too terribly bad. I think I'm gonna use the Ruby Kisses matte finishing spray. Right now it is about 10 something a.m. I'll come back in a few hours to show you how it's going or what it's doing, and that's it. So I'll be back. Hello, I am back. I'm about ready to wash my face now. So this is what it is looking like. The difference between my eyelids and my whole face is like crazy as far as the oiliness. You see, I have not blotted at all today, which was really hard for me because I'm one of those people that keeps like a paper towel in my pocket because I like to constantly blot because I don't want to look like a grease ball. So I'm like constantly blotting. So it's kind of hard for me not to blot at all today. Especially when I would look in the mirror and see myself like, wow, I need to blot. So right now it is 6:01. I don't know, like I said, I have not blotted or anything. This is what my face is doing right now. And I feel like I could just grease my scalp with my face. Funny enough, I haven't reapplied the lip gloss either. I don't know if it's just like excess sweat from my face to moisturize my lips or what, but I haven't reapplied the lip gloss or anything. This foundation, I would not wear it in the summertime at all because I use a mattifying primer, I use a mattifying setting spray and everything, and I'm still looking like a grease ball. If I did, I would constantly be blotting my face. Like I want to blot right now. I could get away with it in the colder months. Still, I would be blotting. So this is what it looks like after a little bit of blotting. I did like the way that it feels on my face. Like I said, when I first put it on, it has like a really lightweight skin-like feel. Like it doesn't feel like I'm wearing foundation. I just wish that it was more oily skin friendly or something. So this is what it looks like. Like I stated earlier, I really like the color match and everything. I noticed with the red undertones, I don't really get that gray effect that I usually get. I hope you liked my first impressions / review wear test. This is my first time doing one, and I don't know, it's probably all over the place or whatever. Leave some feedback down in the comment section. I will read them. Thank you for sticking with me, and I hope to see you in the next video soon. And yeah.